Stop risking system failure and wasted energy. This is the essential wire size and voltage drop calculator. It's built for electricians and engineers who need precision over guesswork. You only need 6 inputs: the current load in amperes, the one-way cable length, your system voltage and phase, your maximum allowable voltage drop percentage, and the ambient temperature, which is critical because heat increases resistance. The tool instantly calculates the minimum required cross-sectional area for both copper and aluminum conductors, factoring in the temperature-corrected resistivity. The results provide the nearest standard metric size, the actual voltage drop, in volts and percentage, and the wasted power loss in watts. For our example, a 100 amperes, 50 meter 3-phase run at 400 volts demands a 25 ohm² copper cable to safely meet the 3% drop limit. Use this calculator to ensure compliance, minimize power loss, and protect your equipment from damaging low voltage. Size your wires the right way, every time. To use our calculator, click the link below given in description. Need assistance interpreting your results or choosing the perfect machine? Our dedicated service team is available 24/7. Get in touch with us anytime for expert consultation, custom quotes, or detailed technical support to ensure you get the absolute best power solution for your needs. Use our calculator now and get the right power every time.